Hello and welcome to this video where we will install Visual Studio to be used with Unreal Engine. The easier way to install this is using the engine to install it. So let's launch it. Let's create any project. A blank project, it's okay. Now here, let's create a C++ class. It will say that no compiler was found. So let's install Visual Studio. And let's just go to the steps given to us. I'll pause it and resume the recording when everything is ready. Here let's make sure that this is selected. Yes, and also game development with C++. I believe everything is automatically selected for us if we're doing this route, so just press install and change the program to wherever you want it to be. And now Visual Studio Community is installing, and you just have to wait. Now we need to reboot, so I'll do that. Now that the computer has restarted, let's check if we have Visual Studio. And there it is, Visual Studio 2019. I'll sign in. Now we can use Visual Studio and C++ to strengthen our development. That will be it for this video. See you next time.